This amount of VET you should get right now to be rich. Vechain is a company that supplies businesses with blockchain-based solutions on the Vechain through blockchain. The corporation has strong links to China's industry and government, and it wants to enhance them even further. Make you stick around until the end of the video to find out the amount of VET you need to get rich. Welcome back, guys. This is Crypto Bazaar. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because if you don't subscribe then the Chinese will come and steal your VET. Vechain is a distributed business ecosystem that uses blockchain technology. It was launched in 2015 as part of BitC, a Shanghai-based blockchain as a service firm. It was created to be utilized by both small and large enterprises. Vechain Thor, the name of Vechain's public blockchain. The Vechain Foundation is based in Singapore, is responsible for the Vechain ecosystem's growth, governance and progress. Some people believe the Vechain to be a mature firm, with several real-world commercial labs now running on the Vechain Thor blockchain. These solutions are not only theoretical according to the Vechain White 2.0, they are solutions tested and debated with over 700 organizations and implemented for over 100+ Fortune-level firms. The Vechain Thor blockchain functions in a similar way to other blockchain systems for business. Businesses construct blockchain-based solutions using toolchain. Vechain's fully featured blockchain as a service platform. Smart contracts are also supported by Vechain Thor. On the Vechain blockchain, a single transaction may perform several jobs. Furthermore, Vechain app users do not require any cryptocurrency to conduct transactions. Instead, app owners may accomplish this, making the user experience more comfortable for the typical person. Proof of authority consensus used on the Vechain Thor blockchain to delegate power to certain nodes in the Vechain Thor network for transaction confirmation. This implies that it only sends transactional blocks to authority master nodes with a minimum VET holding of 25 million. VET and VETHO are two different Vechain coins. VET or Vechain token is a cryptocurrency that may be used for both financial transactions and market speculation on the Vechain Thor network. On Vechain Thor, the energy token VTHO or VThor token is utilized to complete transactions. VTHO may be generated by VET owners and use them to Vechain blockchain. Vechain is known for its strong links to China, a crucial blockchain sector that is tough to break into for non-Chinese firms. The company is based in Singapore, but it also has a Shanghai office as well as funding from Chinese venture capital firm Future Cap and a Chinese CEO Sunny Lu. The China Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance is one of the project's collaborators, as is the China Animal Health and Food Safety Alliance. On the Vechain Thor blockchain, the organization also has numerous business partners with solutions that already exist in the real world. PricewaterhouseCoopers, Walmart China, Renault and Shanghai Waigaoqiao Direct Imported Goods are among the companies that had already used Vechain solutions. In turn of things, devices that are Vechain enabled may be put everywhere in the supply chain, including on items, cars and houses. Then on the Vechain Thor blockchain, environmental and location-based data from these devices may be uploaded, authenticated and kept in a tamper-proof, neutralized way. In China, counterfeiting in the luxury goods sector is a big issue. Owners may ensure authenticity by installing an encrypted chip, utilizing it to track and trace deliveries, warehousing, maintenance and resell. This has been employed in the tracing of premium wines for Shanghai Waigaoqiao Direct Imported Goods, as well as in the testing of Renault's premium automobile components. Healthcare record-keeping systems are notoriously out of date. Rather than storing lab results in an efficient and secure record system, this vital information may be saved on the blockchain with only patients and other authorized parties having access. In 2021, Patients at the Mediterranean hospitals of Cyprus and ATEO Hospital will be able to use a Vechain-based e-it search app. This approach allows customers to participate in a carbon-saving program by driving carbon reduction to the tracking of carbon and meeting activities. When smart devices like automobiles or appliances demonstrate that customers are emitting less carbon, they may earn credits that may be used to purchase energy services. The Vechain system is already in use by BYD, a Chinese vehicle manufacturer. The Vechain Thor official light wallet for iOS and Android allows you to store VET and VTHO, as well as a variety of other crypto assets. Vechain Sync is the official desktop wallet, and it may also be used with a ledger for cold wallet storage, Trust Wallet, Kobo Wallet, Atomic Wallet, Arcane Wallet, MySafe Wallet, Warta Wallet, Alipo, and Exodus are examples of third-party wallets that can store VET and VTHO. What will happen to Vechain after today's crypto crash? Vechain has suffered as much as any of its cryptocurrency rivals as a result of the blockchain's recent bad luck. VET to UST is now trading around 11.8 cents, down more than 25% in the last 24 hours. VThor, a Thor cryptocurrency, is also down roughly 19% in the last 24 hours. VET to UST and VTHO to UST trading volumes have increased by 125% and 122% in the last 24 hours respectively. During the first 2 weeks of April, the Vechain price increased by almost 200%, reaching a new all-time high of approximately 30 cents. Since then, VET has retraced more than 50% and is now trading at 16 cents. As it tries to break out of a continuation pattern, the digital asset appears to be poised to restart its ascent. Following a rapid increase in the middle of April, the Vechain price has been caught in an accumulative zone. On VET's daily chart, the consolidation phase appears to be part of a bull flag pattern. Slicing through the resistance trend line at 22 cents might lead to a retest of the coronal time high or a march to new all-time highs for this cryptocurrency. On the daily chart, the Vechain price is producing lower highs and lower lows. By connecting these pivot points with a trend line, a flag is produced. With a 200% upswing that preceded the SEC, serving as the flagpole. A bull flag pattern loops to a form as the result of this price activity, indicating that the VET uptrend is projected to continue. A break over the flag's resistance trend line at 22 cents might boost the odds of a 68% upsurge, surpassing the last all-time high of 30 cents and reaching a new high of 36 cents. This objective is calculated by multiplying the breakout point by the length of the flagpole. If Vechain pricing breaks through all-time high and turns this level into support, VET may reach roughly 70 cents, signifying a 207% gain based on the flagpole's height. To give confidence to the bullish view, the Vechain price movement must hold above the crucial support zone at 14 cents. Otherwise, the bears would have the upper hand. The downturn might lead to more swing, sending the Vechain price down below 7 cents. Between March and April, this price behaved as a strong resistance zone, indicating that it may be a strong support zone in the case of a decline. All these were good until 18th of May, however things changed since the dawn of 19th of May. Unless you've been living under a rock and avoiding the internet, you've probably noticed that cryptocurrencies are doing so well. The revelation of a severe crackdown on cryptocurrency usage in China was of course the spark for the recent sudden collapse. While China's anti-cryptocurrency position is nothing new, the declaration by an official financial watchdogs appears to usher in a new, more stringent era of regulation. National Research Consulting Center and Yida China Holding are two of Vechain's important partners situated in China. To make matters even more complicated, some of these collaborations are with Chinese government-owned companies such as Direct Imported Goods and China Unicom. Or even the Chinese government itself, as in the case of the Win New Area Economic Development Zone. While these collaborations extend back to 2017 to 2018, they at the very least indicate that the Chinese government's various departments are in odds when it comes to blockchain-based assets. In contrast, the U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has been a loud opponent of cryptocurrencies, but this hasn't resulted in much change in cryptocurrencies' operation in the United States. Last week's bearishness on blockchain was heightened by news out of Beijing on Tuesday. When Tesla's CEO Elon Musk tweeted that the company will no longer accept Bitcoin as payment owing to environmental concerns. As a result of that revelation, Marcus reacted with a surge of interest in greener cryptocurrencies. FX Street predicted that a drop below 14 cents will put bearers in charge of Vechain. According to analysts, the price might go as low as 7 cents, where it would become a solid support level. Vechain is expected to reach 25 to 30 cents by the end of 2021. And 65 cents by the fourth quarter of 2025 according to Crypto News Z. VET and UST is expected to rise to 19 cents by the end of the year and 41 cents by the end of 2025 according to Long Forecast. According to CoinPDF, Vechain might reach 70 to 80 cents by the end of 2022. Vechain is expected to be worth 59 cents by the end of 2021. And $1.36 by the end of 2022, and $3.50 by the end of 2030 according to Coin Price Forecast. Vechain is expected to reach 36 cents by the end of the year and $1.15 in 5 years according to Wallet Investors. Vechain is expected to be 18 cents by the end of 2021, and 35 cents by the end of 2025 according to Digital Coin Price. Vechain is a forward-thinking company with a significant presence in China. With several well-known companies, projects now operating on the Vechain Thor blockchain, the firm has demonstrated that it can assist businesses in developing valuable blockchain applications. With Think in the coming year can easily reach the target of $1, many people believe that it should. As of yet it's hard to say about it, but any investment around 100 to 1,000 tokens would be ideal to start with. And then later hop into a hype as it grows. That's all for this video. Don't forget to use the like button. That would be incredibly motivating for us to continue to provide you videos and thoughts like this. Subscribe if you haven't already. That concludes today's video. We hope to see you at the next one. Peace out.